Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing this Bitterroot, that was requested by one of my subscribers. If I can remember the video that I posted, she wanted me to show her. I think I did a haul and I showed her, where I purchased this from, and she said if I can show her how I make my Bitterroots. So today that's what I'm gonna do. As you can see, this one is almost finished, so I just say, well, I'm in the kitchen right now doing something, so why not just show you guys how to do so. Okay, so this is the Bitterroots right here. They have different kinds, but mostly this is what we West Africans use. But I have another one. Yeah, I have a couple of them here. So this, I got it from the African store. This is like, I think, Nigerians or whatever country, they use this one as well. But I will try to do another video on this. So they have different kinds. So I'm just showing you the ones that I have in my house. Typically, we use this. Ours comes like this, like wood. You know what I mean? Like so. So you have this as well. So what I would do is I would just mix these two together. And then, and then for this one, since I never used this before, I'll do a separate video on this one to show you guys basically, how is it gonna turn out and stuff like that. Okay, so now what we're gonna use half of this and half of this. Okay, and then I have my container here. Since I'm making a big batch, I'm gonna put it here. And then you're gonna need ginger. This is optional, and also cloves. This is what I use. This has already been washed. Okay, so but normally back home you just put, wash these and just soak them, and then you start drinking it the next day. You just gotta let it soak to give you all the roots and the taste out of it. Okay, so you need a container. So if you're not doing much, you can do what I did here, but since I'm going to do a lot, so alright, so we're gonna put some in here. See, make sure you wash these things. See that? So sometimes you never know what you're gonna see inside of these things. So make sure you look at it and pick out what you need, and what you don't need you just trash. Okay, so you guys, when I was home every morning, I used to take this every single morning. So you're not, it does a lot to your body, your skin, stomach ache, respiratory, eliminates all of those things. You know what I mean? Purify your skin, all your pains, and everybody is different. Some people it works for them, some people it don't. Okay, so let's wash this, and then yeah. Okay, you guys, so now we're just gonna put it into the container, and then we're gonna add water, and then put our cloves and our ginger inside of this. Okay, I'm gonna put cold water. Okay, so you can get this container from Dollar Tree, you guys. So yeah, that's where I got this from. This is reusable. If you watch my channel, you will know. Okay, so just in case if you want to know, that's where I got it from. So now what we're going to do is I'm gonna add a couple of cloves. Like I said, this is optional. Back home, you don't put anything. You just put the roots in there and let it soak, and you're ready to use it if it's few hours or so. But you know, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna put cloves. It all depends on how many you like. So you put that in here like so, and then take your ginger and cut it. Okay, like that. And then as you can see, you start to see the color changing from clear to yellow. So I'm gonna let it sit overnight. So tomorrow morning I will definitely show you how it turns out after a couple of hours. And basically, yeah. Alright, so I'll come the next day to show you how the color changed again. Okay? Okay, you guys, so this is the next day. As you can see here, my roots is ready to be drank. As you can see, everything is, the color has changed. So now I'm using this cup here. This is what I usually do, and just pour just like that. Okay, so this is what I will be drinking. But you guys, when I tell you, let me move this a little bit. This is how it will look here. Okay, so this is literally going to last me for about 2 weeks. Okay, some people let it go, you know, longer, but 2 weeks is enough, because as you add water, it gets lighter, you know. So I just want the good out of it, you know, at the time. So yeah, so you can leave it for longer if you want to, but I usually go for 2 weeks, and basically this it. So okay guys, so this is it right here, and thank you guys for watching, but definitely going to drink this. Alright guys, so this is it right here, guys. This is it. Okay, so talk to you later. Alright, bye bye.